Yes, sir. We are back at it again. It is collecting rain. We have got ourselves something nice here today. I've been looking forward to this. Sport Kings Volume 3, 5 packs plus one's bonus pack. Looking for special memorabilia, autograph, and swatch inserts. See, that'd be nice. A Mike Piazza swatch card. Ooh, a Maddox. Very nice. Yeah, I've never done a Sport Kings, but if this is a good box, then I would definitely start picking these up. Absolutely. And then our other box we have for today, before I get too excited here, is a Jersey Fusion All Sports 2021 edition. Good looking box. Good packaging. What would y'all want the most out of all of those right there? Which sport? All right. See, I think we'll start with the Sport Kings first, and then we'll go to that next. Let's get the old scissors in here. There we go. Nice. Winning. Right. So we got 5 of their packs and 1 bonus pack. This is the bonus pack. I don't know what gave it away. Go ahead and give that the good pack rub. Lucky pack rub. Let's see what we got here. All right. 5 packs. All Sport Kings. This is some different kind of plastic here. All right. Jason Taylor. Mario Andretti. Wow. All right. Piazza. Julius Irvin. Oh, wow. Sport Kings gum. I don't know who that is. Oh, he must do track and field. I like the way the cards feel. Kind of like, old vintage cards. Bosch. Same. Is that the same? Is the other one? Hold on. Hold, please. It is. All right. So we have the gum version, I guess, and we have the full size version. That's nice. Phil Simms. Joe Necro. Throw it like Necro, baby. I don't know who that is. Pavo. Gabby. Oh, Gabby. She was great for us, man. Brought back the gold. Made the country proud. Oh, Mike again. Who wants some pizza? Andretti. Is that Owe? Maddox. Yes, the dude. No, it's Taylor again. Tell me he arm wrestles. Adam Scher. Okay. Put Maddox right there. I don't know if I like the clear packs, because then you already see the back of the card. Phil. Oh, Jim. There you go. Manning. Greg. That's a good looking card. The ABA basketball back in the day, where I liked it better than the NBA basketball. Alright. Let's go here. Let's see what we got. Sims. Matt Kenneth. J. Horse. Black Caviar. Okay, sure. Dwight Steve. There we go. Alright, there was those. Definitely Sport Kings. All right, let's see what the bonus pack is. Hoping for Michael Jordan game used jersey card autograph. All right, and we have Julius Irvin, and we have baseball Jim Edmonds jersey card. Steve Sport Kings Volume 3 Legends Memorabilia. Jim Edmonds, an 8-time Gold Glove winner, 2006 World Series champion. Oh, nice. No one I'm familiar with, but it doesn't mean anything to me. Him. All right, list. Oh no, everything's falling apart now. All right, we're gonna have better luck on the Jersey Fusion, right? Right. Let's go. All right. Get one card. That's it. That's baseball. Looks like we have a bonus card. Scratch off to find your code. And I will. See what we have. And we have Nolan Ryan. Yes, sir. That is a dub right there. Loving some Nolan Ryan. I like the way this is packaged. It looks cool. This Jersey Fusion All Sports 20 edition includes material worn from 1991 jersey worn by the player depicted on the front of the company trading card. Nice. Big win. All right, guys, well, that concludes Collecting Rain for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another one.